Hi, and welcome to Getting to Know Your Android Smartphone, presented by the Lucy Robbins Wells Library. There are many different brands for Android smartphones, but the functions work mostly the same. Your smartphone should come with a manual for your specific device, but presented are some basic smartphone functions. These are examples of what some of the buttons look like, but depending on what phone you have, the buttons may be in different places. For this example, at the top of the phone, there's flash, the front camera, and the ear speaker. To the right of the phone, there's the volume button. The top button is to turn up the volume, and the down button is to turn down the volume. Next to that is a smaller button. This is the on and off button. At the bottom of the phone, there's a spot to plug in headphones, the charging port, the home button, and the speaker for when you put your phone on speaker mode. In the second example is a tray to insert your SIM card. Here are some additional buttons. On the phone screen, there may be touchscreen buttons on the bottom of the device. This could include the back button, home button, to view, open, or close pages and apps. And these buttons also may be on your actual device to press. From the top of your phone, use your finger to pull down the menu for some common options. Some common options may be Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, flashlight, auto rotate, battery saver, mobile data, airplane mode, night light, screencast, and more. You can also adjust your phone's brightness by moving the top bar. Settings. Some of these options may be under the pull-down menu, but you can select your Wi-Fi, ringtone, notifications, wallpaper, manage apps, and set up more settings for your phone. Adding contacts. To add a contact, click the phone icon on your screen. To create a contact, you can add a contact's photo, first name, last name, company, phone of different options such as mobile, cell, work, and email address. And when you're done filling out the information, click Save. Making a phone call. Click the phone icon on the home screen. Your view may have the dial pad, and at the bottom of the screen may show favorites, recent calls, contacts, to dial a number, and voicemail. Or it may show the keypad, and you can search using the magnifying glass to select a contact from your address book, or at the bottom of your screen, it may show keypad, recent calls, and contacts. Answering a phone call. To answer a phone call, your screen will prompt you to either swipe up to answer or swipe down to decline, or there may be an option to swipe left or right. Sending a text message. Select your text messaging app from the home screen. Type in the phone number you want to text or click on the address book to select a contact. Type your message. To send your message, click the arrow to the right. Keyboard features. Number 1 is an arrow to the right. This opens the photo gallery and camera. Number 2 is an arrow pointing towards the left, and this is for more options. Number 3 can insert stickers. Number 4 can insert graphics or videos from the internet. Number 5 is your clipboard. For anything copied, you can paste it here. Number 6, you can access your keyboard settings. Number 7, additional settings such as changing the theme. Number 8, talk to text. And number 9, you can insert emojis. Using the search bar in Google Chrome web browser. You can click in the search bar and it'll direct you to a Google search page. From there, you can type in what you are looking for or use the microphone button or circles button for Google Assistant, then say what you are looking for. This is the Google search page, and we searched for Lucy Robbins Wells Library. Click the magnifying glass on the keyboard, and then this will bring you to the results page in Google. To the right is the Google results page, and this brings up Lucy Robbinswell's library. And from there, you can see the address, when we're open, the phone number, and can access the web page. How to access the App Store. The Google Play Store icon should be on your phone screen. You might have to swipe to see additional icons on the next screens over. If you do not see the icon, you can type it in your search bar. After searching in the search bar, click the Google Play Store icon and you'll be able to access the App Store. How to get apps. Open the Google Play Store on your home screen, browse through popular and recommended apps, or type the name of the app you are looking for in the search bar, or use the microphone. Click the magnifying glass to search. When you find the app, click it from the list. Click Install. When the app is finished installing, click Open. You can also uninstall if you do not want this app anymore, or can uninstall at a later date. How to arrange, delete, and group apps on your phone. Use your finger to press down on the app you want to move, then move the app with your finger. To group apps, use your finger to move the app onto the app you want to group together. To rename the grouped apps, click on the apps and click Unnamed Folder. Type in the new name. To remove an app, use your finger to press down and then move it up to either remove from the home screen or move up to uninstall to delete from your phone. Additional options. Depending on your phone, you may be able to click on an app on your home screen and remove it that way. You can also add the app to your home screen if it's not already, and can add a widget to your home screen. You can click Widgets and then click Add. And here's the widget on the home screen. And this is a Libby widget that allows you to search for titles right from your home screen. Thank you for watching this program. If you have any questions about this program, please call us at 860-665-8700 or email us at refdept@newingtonct.gov. Thank you.